Good morning, dear student. Ionic equilibrium. Easy way to determine molar solubility from solubility product. Molar solubility S value, solubility product Ksp. The problem given is solubility product of silver chromate is 1.1 into 10 power minus 2. What is the solubility of silver chromate in 0.1 m K2Cr2O7? Now I write the equation for the compound to which the solubility product value is given. Silver chromate AgCrO4, silver is a monopositive ion, chromate 2 minus ion, that 2 is here, this one is there, in solid. Undergo ionization gives 2 Ag plus ion which is aqueous in medium plus chromate ion CrO4 2 minus ion which is also in aqueous medium. First I write the formula used to calculate the solubility product. K solubility product is equal to product Ag plus ion concentration square into CrO4 2 minus ion concentration. One more compound is given in our problem, 0.1 molar K2Cr2O7. If two compounds are given, from these two compounds we have to find out the concentration of Ag plus ion and Cr minus ion. Potassium chromate KCrO4, potassium monopositive alkali metal CrO4 2 minus, that 2 is here, this one is there in solid state. When added with water, it undergo ionization gives 2K plus ion and CrO4 2 minus ion. This is in aqueous medium, that is also in aqueous medium. Now concentration of potassium chromate is given, that is 0.1 m. The stoichiometric coefficient of number of moles of K2Cr2O7 is 0.1 m, that is given in our problem. Here number of moles 2 into 0.1 m, chromate 0.1 m, that is equal to 10 power minus 1. Silver plus and chromate minus. Now I write the molar solubility of Ag plus is S before number of moles 2, therefore 2S. Silver chromate is S before chromate 1S. In these two equations, Ag plus concentration is obtained from this, no problem, but the chromate are present in these two equations. Now I am going to write the determination of Ag plus ion concentration. Ag plus ion concentration is equal to 2S and chromate ion are present in two equations, here S, here 0.1. So chromate ion concentration CrO4 2 minus ion concentration equal to S plus 0.1. We know when compared with any number, S value is negligible, therefore 0.1. Substitute these two values in the solubility product formula. K solubility equal to Ag plus square and chromate 2 minus ion. Therefore, K solubility product equal to Ag plus ion concentration 2S square into chromate 0.1, that is also written as 10 power minus 1. Therefore, 10 power minus 1 power 1. 2 squared equal to 4S squared into 10 power minus 1. K solubility of silver chromate is given in our problem, that is 1.1 into 10 power minus 12. We are going to calculate the S value. So S squared equal to, bring all other quantity to the left hand side, 1.1 into 10 power minus 12 divided by 4 into 10 power minus 1. When you when you cancel 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, you will get 1.1 into 10 power minus 11 divided by 4. Or we can write 11 into 10 power minus 12 by 4. S squared equal to. Now cancel 4 and 11. You know how to cancel. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Point remaining 3 13. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2 20. 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer? S square is equal to 2.75 into 10 power minus 12. S equal to root of 2.75 into 10 power minus 12, that is equal to 1.65 into 10 power minus 6. So what is the answer? Yes, molar solubility equal to 1.65 into 10 power minus 6. This is the final answer. So now we have calculated the molar solubility from solubility product value. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I am going to make a new video, so please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes. Okay, thank you.